Imagine a world where your future opportunities are decided not by your skills or efforts, but by an invisible code hidden within your cells. This code holds secrets about your health, your predispositions, and your family history. What if this deeply personal information could be used against you, impacting your job, your insurance, or even your basic rights? This is not science fiction, but a very real concern as genetic technologies become more prevalent in our lives. Genetic discrimination is a significant bioethical problem because it violates fundamental ethical principles of justice, autonomy, and non-maleficence, posing a serious threat to individual well-being and societal equity. It refers to the unfair or prejudicial treatment of individuals based on their actual or perceived genetic makeup. The core ethical issue here lies in the principle of justice. Justice demands that individuals be treated fairly and equitably, and that benefits and burdens are distributed justly across society. When genetic information is used to deny employment, insurance, or other opportunities, it creates an unjust system where individuals are penalized for factors beyond their control. This also encroaches upon autonomy, as the fear of discrimination can coerce individuals into avoiding beneficial genetic testing or sharing their health information. Furthermore, it violates non-maleficence by causing undue harm through stigmatization, economic hardship, and psychological distress. So, how can we address this problem? Practically, one key step is advocating for and upholding protective legislation, such as the Genetic Information Non-Discrimination Act, often referred to as GINA, in the United States. GINA prohibits discrimination in health insurance and employment based on genetic information. For individuals, understanding your rights under such laws is crucial, and you should be cautious about sharing genetic test results unless legally required or necessary for medical care. Always consider the privacy policies of genetic testing services before providing your information. A crucial bioethical insight is recognizing the difference between genetic predisposition and genetic determination. A genetic predisposition means you have an increased likelihood of developing a condition, not that you are guaranteed to develop it. Misinterpreting this distinction can fuel unwarranted fear and discrimination. Moreover, the complexity of genetic interactions with environmental factors means that our genes are only one part of our health story, not the entire narrative. This nuanced understanding is vital for policymakers, employers, and insurance providers. Ultimately, preventing genetic discrimination is about safeguarding human dignity and ensuring that advanced scientific knowledge serves humanity, rather than harming it. By protecting individuals from unfair treatment based on their genetic code, we uphold the ethical fabric of our society, encouraging medical innovation while preserving fundamental human rights and fostering a culture of trust in healthcare and research.